Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video provided to you by HCM. Our topic is creating emails, and to do so, on the main menu under Channels, choose Emails. To create a new email, you click on New, and you'll be prompted to choose between two types of emails. If you'd like to use a template and send out an email to a specific address or contact, then you could choose the new template email. Also, this type of templates are used in campaigns. On the other hand, if you have an email that you'd like to send to a group of contacts, a list or a segment, then you have to choose the new segment email. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, please visit our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.